Okay guys, today I will be showing you how you can make sticky sections using only a bit of CSS. And this is going to be a pretty short tutorial since we're not going to be needing much. And how the end project is going to look like is we're going to have few sections under each other. And then once we scroll down, you're going to see this section is going to be sticking to the top always. And then once we scroll a bit more, when we come to the next section, then that section is going to stick to the top, and then we're gonna keep scrolling, and it's gonna happen for every single section we have here. And then if we go back, you can see how that looks like. So we're gonna have both the kind of the parallax effect and also sections sticking on the top all the time. So let's just make our index.html template. We're gonna link our CSS here. So let's make this a bit bigger. So the only thing we're gonna have is we're gonna have 6 sections, and inside of those we're just gonna have an h1. So this is just gonna be home, contact, and we can open this with live server. So that's all the HTML we're gonna have, and then we can switch to our CSS here. We're gonna remove some basic styles. Let's add box sizing of border box. We're gonna remove the margin, and we're gonna add font family of sans serif. Then we can target our section here. We're gonna make it 100%. Min height is gonna be 100 bh, so full height. And for now, let's just add display flex to center the h1 on the screen. Then here we can target our h1. We're gonna add margin auto to center it. We're gonna have color white, and we're gonna have font size of 140 pixels. So we can do section nth-child, and we're gonna do odd, and we're just gonna add a background here. Let me make this a bit bigger, something like that, and then we're gonna have no repeat. Center, cover. And then we're gonna do the same thing again, but in this case we're gonna have even, and I'm gonna get another picture for that. And then we're gonna be able to see the text that we have since it has white color right now. And also odd pictures are gonna have the first image, and even pictures are gonna have this image since I'm only using 2 of them. So if we scroll right now, they just look like normal sections at the moment. So the only thing we need to do here to actually make them work and being sticking to the top inside our section, we're just gonna add position sticky, and we're gonna add top of 0. And that's all there is to position sticky. So now if we go back here and we start scrolling, you're gonna see this section is always gonna be sticking at the top. Then we can scroll down, and once this section hits the top here, then that's gonna be stuck here. And then we can start scrolling again and see how that looks like. And it's gonna work for every section we currently have. So that would be it for this short tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.